Hi, I'm Catherine. I am a cryogenics bulk driver/trainer with Air Products here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Thank you so much for taking the time to follow along with me today to see what it's like to briefly experience a day in the life of a driver here at Air Products. Ready to get started? Let's go. We have a Mobi, which is an iPhone, and what they do is they send our loads 2 hours prior to our shift to our phones. So I know where it is I'm going, I know how to plan my day. Once I get onto the yard, we have to come in, get logged in on our computers, and therefore that's letting everybody know I'm here, I'm available to work. So at that time, I then just put equipment and tools and stuff in my truck. I go out and I pre-trip my truck, and that's how I initially get started. Pre-tripping the truck, that's important. Safety. You want to make sure that you do a good pre-trip, checking your oil, checking your liquid levels. You want to make sure that your tires and everything are good. That saves you from being out somewhere stuck on side the road, broke down, because I've done a good pre-trip. Because safety is important at Air Products, it's important for me. I need to make sure that I'm going to be home safe every night. I want to get home just the way I came in. Get my pre-trip done, pull around over to the loading pad and get loaded up. So once we're finished loading, and I put my information in, it prints out my paperwork, tells me which way I need to go, and I just head out, start my day. Once I get to my customer, I come in and I get out, walk around, and just make sure that I'm able to get into this area safely. Make sure that we don't have any cars or pedestrians that's out here in my way. I want to make sure my customer's tank is in good working condition, that everything is in place. I get set up and I'm ready to work. So you don't get to sit in the cab with your feet up and relax. Your number one priority is safety. So you want to make sure that you're safe, as well as keeping your customers safe by monitoring the product that I'm putting in there, the product level and their pressure on their tanks, as well as monitoring the pressure that's on our trailers. If they're getting my entire load, it may take an hour, it may take an hour and 45 minutes. That depends on what the customer's required pressure is on their tanks. And I want to make sure that I leave my customer's site the way that I found it, which is safe, clean. Thank you so much for following along with me today. If you're interested in working with the best of the best, and if safety is not only a priority, but a way of life for you, then please feel free to check us out at airproducts.com/drivers. We would love to hear from you.